So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial to get into. If you want to create a simple online store with Google Sites and AI, here's how to build an e-commerce website in Google Sites using AI. Firstly, open Google Sites and create a new website. Create a new page called Store. Will be the main page where your products are displayed. Now, use an AI tool to help create your store content. You can generate product descriptions, headlines, category names, FAQs, and promotional copy. Always review the AI-generated content before publishing it. Now, you'll need an e-commerce platform to handle products, shopping carts, and payments. For example, ECWWid. Create an account and add your products, including their names, descriptions, images, etc. Once your store is ready, use ECWWid's available embed options to add the store to a product to catalog your Google Sites store page. Return to the Google Sites, insert the appropriate embed, and add your ECWWid store. Customize the page with AI-generated headings, product descriptions, FAQs, and other useful content. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.